Season 2, Electromagnetic Spectrum, Physics in the Necrotic World, Episode 28, Gamma Rays. Welcome, strangers. Gamma rays are somewhat awesome. I love them. I love the juxtaposition. They can diagnose cancer and also treat cancer. And also simultaneously cause cancer. I mean, wow, look at that trio. Instead of the 5 triangles, fuel, oxygen, and heat, without one of these 3, the fire cannot be sustained. The fire dies out. But what about our triple? Look at that triple. Diagnose, treat, injure. I think the common word here is unfortunately cancer. We can only pray that it's benign. Please be benign. But nuclear decay with a particle accelerator can produce gamma rays. They can also sterilize in medical settings. I mean, I'm not sure that you'd want to use gamma rays to sterilize your water, but that's also an option. Potable water, as in Potable water, is drinkable water, but this is not necessarily sterile. If I were you, I'd want sterile water, especially if I'm having surgery, so it's safer and can be sensitively applied generously as needed. It would be ideal to drink, but that's a somewhat unrealistic expectation. Purified water is what I'd be happy to drink, as it's literally for general public consumption. I mean, that is the same principle that underlies mass hysteria, going with the crowds. But I guess in this case, I can't care less, because right now I have no reason to distrust UK water supplies. So if everyone's sick too, I'd be too, right? I mean, if everyone's not sick, I'd be good too, right? A reason to based on the water supply, a reason to distrust would be like a visible, really obvious, glaringly obvious zombie apocalypse or something of that sort. Boiled water will kill off a ton of microbes, which is probably why my mum always tells me to drink warm water. But honestly, if there were spores or something, then, well, we're probably going to get sick anyways. Distilled water isn't really drinkable regularly, as it's more effort to produce. But it's good enough for labs, so it's relatively good enough for me to drink, right? Gamma rays radiate on the back of That's a big word. It's a bit of a mouthful. Gamma rays radiate on the back of radioactive decay of unstable nuclei, with its ultra-ionizing radiation as the shortest wavelength and the highest frequency, jabs through practically everything, knocking electrons off in a beyond turbo frenzy, which is very impressive, being beyond turbo. It's like super cool. I love gamma rays, really cool. Which produces positively charged ions, and obviously the beautiful gamma rays. So see you next time at Physics in the Necrotic World. This is your host, Rimona, R out.